Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This is our project title, Privacy Preserving Data Encryption Strategy for Big Data in Mobile Cloud Computing. This is our abstract. Privacy Preserving Data Encryption Strategy is the process of encrypting dataset on big data in mobile cloud computing. We use D2ES, means Dynamic Data Encryption Strategy algorithm for privacy preservation. Many current applications abandon data encryption in order to reach an adoptive performance level companion with privacy concerns. It selectively encrypts the data and use privacy classification under timing constraints. Dynamic data selection and encrypting data record execution time. We propose privacy protection scope by using record execution time requirements. This is our flow diagram. If you new user going to register your details, username, password, then email ID, and then user ID. After completing register process, going to login, user ID and then password to login. Login process successful. Then going to file choose. File choose means choosing our data set and then splitting into our dataset. Then file encryption. File encryption means encrypt our dataset. D2ES used for this our project. D2ES means dynamic data encryption strategy algorithm. After completing our file encryption process, going to file transfer. File transfer means to storing our encrypted file in cloud server, and then select the encrypted file to the cloud server, and then finally decrypt our encrypted file to store in cloud server. And this is our project. First click on index.java, then right click, then run the file. This is our project title, Privacy Preserving Data Encryption Strategy for Big Data in Mobile Cloud Computing. Click the continue button. This is our login page. If you new user going to register, then click on new register button. This is our registration form. First enter your username, then email ID, then password, then confirm password, finally get user ID. Click on get ID. This is your user ID. Then click on register button. Registration completed. Click OK button. Come back to login page. Enter your user ID, then password, then click login button. Login successful. And this is our deploy page. To input the many number of nodes, then click on deploy button. Decision updated successfully. Then click on deploy button to enter the all nodes to view the display. Then click on source button. Source now node is on. Then click on destination. Destination node is 10. This is node 1 source node. Then node 10 is destination node. Then click on next button. Click the source node. Source node is 1. Then click on browse button. Select our dataset file.txt. Then click on open. Then click on view button. This is our data. Then click on encrypt. file encrypted successfully. Click on OK button, then click next button. In this page, to splitting our dataset, create a file name means to split our dataset. To enter your choice and split, then number to split, to click to split button, file splitter successfully, then click on OK button. To view the split 1.txt, then split 2.txt, then click on next button. This page our node details, click on nodes button. Total nodes deployed 10, source node 1, destination node 10, then click on file details. Splitting file name split, splitter files 2, then click on view button. This is our file details, click on display button. This is our path, then click file path, then file name, then file size, click on next button. This page, click on distance button. From to distance means starting node to ending node, to connect all the nodes, and then distance to this page, and click on next button. This page, to select our encrypt file, then click on choose encrypt.txt. Encrypt.txt, this file is select our dataset to encrypt this file, then port number means 01, then click on send button, port number successfully sent, then OK button, then node1.java, to right click and then run file. Receiving port number is 01, then file name. Before you click the receive button, file verified encrypt.txt, then forwarding port number, then click on send button, port number successfully sent. Again come to node2.java, then click run file. Receiving port number, then click on receive button, file verified encrypt.txt, then forward port number, click on send button, port number successfully sent. Again finally click destination.java, and right click, run the file. This is our destination path, port number, then receive, file verified. This is our encrypt.txt, then click on decryption, file decrypt successfully. This is our original file.